Hello guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator or the oil indicator of a Renault Clio. Once we start the car, as you can see, this comes on the dashboard. Service required. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us support by liking our videos. Have a look at our channel. I have more than 250 cars on different models. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, this is a Renault Clio 2019 model. First step is to turn the ignition on to the second position. Then there is a menu area over here with sub menus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to go to the vehicle menu. You have to use this button over here. Once you are there, once the tab is on the car indicator, press OK. Once you are here, you have to scroll through the menu with these buttons and find the surface due, this one. As you can see, the surface is not due for the kilometers, but for the months it's overdue, and that's why we have the indicator over there. Once you are here, press the OK button, keep pressing that till it starts blinking. Keep pressing it. When it stops blinking, then the indicator, you saw the indicator over there, vanish. Do the check again, start the car, and no indicator that shows that the surface is required again. That was it for this car. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.